Se sei fermo da tempo sullo stesso punteggio, è perché ti mancano le conoscenze per progredire. Noi di Mattoscacco abbiamo creato la prima accademia di scacchi online per migliorare comodamente da casa. Vienici a trovare e scegli il corso più adatto alle tue esigenze. academy.mattoscacco.com.
Buongiorno a tutti ragazzi, adesso vediamo se Karen riesce a battere il mio record in Puzzle Rage. Glielo diciamo a Karen, il mio record è 40 problemi. I solved 40 problems. It's not bad, but I think you can do much better. Penso che Karen possa fare molto meglio, addirittura non dico raddoppiare, no, scherzo, non ho idea. Vediamo quanti problemi riesce a fare Karen in 5 minuti e io proverò a distrarlo. I will try to distract you. I'm joking. So, let's go. When you are ready, okay. Push play.
So, start.
Start, 3.
So here, take the bishop, 1. Here, take the queen, so checkmate.
Matto, i primi sono facili.
Checkmate.
Matto.
So checkmate.
Matto.
Checkmate.
Matto. Wow, è a 7. Donna F3, matto.
Checkmate, so...
Donna E1, matto.
Check and checkmate.
Torre 1, matto.
Check and the back rank.
Sei già a 10.
Take up a piece.
Ok.
So, but we fight for draw?
I don't know. No clues.
So...
era da pattare.
Check,
il primo che
take,
da pattare.
Checkmate.
No, okay.
Check, take the queen. Here, checkmate. Here, checkmate. Here, check and checkmate. So we have to push first this for him not to block the pawn and the queen. F6 and then checkmate. Here, take. So here, take and checkmate. Checkmate.
22.
Check, take queen with check, then take the rook.
23.
Rook g3 checkmate.
24.
So here, take.
Wow.
Rook here. So check and checkmate.
Mm-hmm.
Checkmate. King d7. Take. So queen f7, queen g8, knight f7. So takes. Okay, c5 is important.
Sì.
Take the bishop. So take. Ooh, there was a checkmate. Yeah. So push g2, g1, g1.
No, mistake. Third mistake, you are out.
Okay. So checkmate. Here. So probably it's this, but rook f2, queen d5, king h8. So rook f2 here, king h8 here, and take.
Okay.
So white pushes here. So okay, wait. I have to push queen, and here I stop. Take.
Okay.
So here difficult. So knight c3 check, or take the rook.
Quindi un solo errore Karen non può battere il mio record.
Check. Before check. Knight d5 check. Take the rook. And take the
wow! 6 problemi per battere il mio record. 6 problem and you defeat it, but 1 mistake and I win. Wow! Wow! Congrats!
So actually you have more chances than me now. I have to take. So I have to take with bishop probably, or take with rook, take. It's not clear.
I know already. I found it.
So.
Mate forcing mate.
Yeah, here. Queen h3, rook g2, rook g1. So king f4 here and bishop f3 and take.
Okay.
So here queen h2 and then rook g1. Queen h2 and then rook g2.
What if king d1?
Then take the knight. Here, so check. And here and check.
Now you have more chances.
I have to take this. I have to take this also. and I take this.
Ok.
So last one.
Now it's draw, but you solve another and you win.
So if I take e7 and then how to catch and then knight e6. Okay, wait. So if I take e7, knight e6 here, so and then I take the queen. Here, knight g6.
No, now you defeated me.
But
Karen mi ha già sconfitto.
check.
Ok.
Let's try the best. Let's try my best. So knight b3, knight c2, knight c2. So should be some tactic.
29 secondi. 27 seconds.
Yeah, but it's hard. Knight b3.
Knight b3.
Should be check, logical. Also check from somewhere, but where from? Check. I have to give him a check, but where from? This was also correct. So this is also correct, and this is also correct. Hey, yeah, it happened. So
Why? Knight f5.
knight
Maybe.
f5. Yeah, knight f5 first. Yeah, but this also.
This also should be winning. Quindi 44 and you are not trained at this, no? It's the first attempt.
No, it's first. Yes. So.
And also for sure if you train a little, which how many you can solve?
I don't know, but
No, at least if you train. If you do this 10 times and you are concentrated and you make a bet that you have at least 60, can you do?
60, 50, probably 60 is hard.
Ok, probabilmente potrebbe riuscirne a farne 50 e 60 sarebbe più difficile. And do you suggest beginners to train with this?
Yeah, Puzzle Rush probably not 3 or 5 minutes, but I think they can do without time.
Ah, without time. Quindi, soprattutto per chi ha le prime armi, Karen consiglia di giocare, di provare il Puzzle Rush ma senza limiti di tempo. E ultima domanda, adesso che stiamo parlando del tempo, a chi vuole imparare, tu a quanto tempo consigli di giocare le partite online? So how much time people want to grow, which time they should play on chess.com?
So 10 plus 0.
10 plus 0.
It's not too long and it's not short also.
And if with increment, how much?
With increment, so 15 plus 10.
E 5 minuti più 10 in caso di incremento. Grazie Karen e ci vediamo presto con altre partite del nostro campione. Alla prossima!